Isn't time to buy or sell Oracle stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Oracle. Our initial report was published on our website on the 8th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of September, 2025, our system has identified Oracle as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.99. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions with a gain of 6.94%. This results in an average return of 2.31% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 17.38% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from around 5.91% to 33.22%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 30.42%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 19.95% and positive 43.19% over the coming year. This would place the future price within the range of $190.90 to $341.48. Our latest daily update for Oracle features the headline, Green Day on Monday for Oracle stock after gaining 2.44%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 8th of September, 2025, Oracle's stock price increased by 2.44%, rising from $232.80 to $238.48. During the trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.02%, with a day low of $235.32 and a day high of $242.42. While the price has fallen on 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 0.89% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with approximately 19 million shares bought and sold, amounting to around $4.43 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.87, while the lowest was $118.86. Currently, the price is 8.58%, or $22.39, below the 52-week high of $260.87, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Oracle is set to announce its earnings after the market closes on Tuesday, with the stock priced near $240. It is currently trading just above its 50-day moving average and well above the 200-day average, technical indicators that suggest a potential breakout. Analysts are noting ongoing momentum in artificial intelligence-related bookings, and several major firms have raised their price targets ahead of the earnings report, indicating a positive outlook. In the short term, a strong earnings report driven by cloud and artificial intelligence revenue could lead to a significant rally, attracting momentum traders and pushing Oracle past its recent highs as enthusiasm for AI adoption grows. On the other hand, any disappointment in revenue or bookings might lead to profit-taking and a retreat towards near-term moving average support. Looking ahead, sustained bookings driven by artificial intelligence and effective execution across cloud services and applications could warrant higher price multiples and consistent growth. However, macroeconomic risks and any lapses in execution could restrict gains. Investors should pay close attention to the earnings details regarding artificial intelligence bookings and margin trends, as these factors will be crucial in determining whether this rally is a fleeting moment or the beginning of a longer upward trend. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oracle a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned Oracle a rating of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Oracle a rating of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Oracle a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Oracle a rating of hold with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Oracle stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Oracle. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Oracle stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $241.98. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $229.93. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will trigger an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 6, 2025, and so far, the stock has experienced a decline of 7%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 13 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals, the short moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 83 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 71 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oracle. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $218.63 and $215.22. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Oracle finds support just below today's level at $218.63. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $215.22 and $199.86. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $7.10 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.02%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Oracle, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued, or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 9th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.47. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oracle. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oracle is at $241.30. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Oracle encounters its first support level at $218.63. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oracle from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Magor Clayton M., who bought and sold 614,099 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 8.3. Overall, insiders purchased 32,845,188 shares and sold 26,886,618 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Oracle stock a good buy? Currently, Oracle presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 9th of September, we anticipate Oracle to open higher by 258/100ths of a dollar, starting the trading session at $238.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.